happy to fix, such as the comparatively heavy, Ford-derived steel architecture. The latest model is predominantly aluminium. It's lighter and leaner, yet bigger inside, too, another overhaul prescribed by its predecessor's shortcomings. It also gets a range of new engines, with 4 variants of JLR's new 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder Ingenium diesel engines, which was further supplemented by a trio of Ingenium petrols for 2017, while the top of the range is dominated by 3.0-liter V6 petrol and diesel engines mainly found in the XFS.